I was so surprised to get this gift. This came from my daughter's sister-in-law's. Is it not a beautiful tea set that she gave me for Christmas? I was really surprised. I guess she's been watching a lot of my videos and she knows I'm collecting teapots and sets. And this one was beautiful, don't you agree? Look at this beautiful, beautiful teapot. Just love it. It is just gorgeous. All the beautiful detail work. Can you see how beautiful it is? Couldn't believe how gorgeous it was. And I don't own a blue and white one at all, so this will look great in my teapot collection. It also came with this gorgeous serving tray also. As you can see, all the beautiful detail work of this also. Isn't the pattern so beautiful? And then the beautiful teaspoon and the teacups and the beautiful shape of everything along with the beautiful pattern. And of course, the beautiful saucers. So beautifully they are. And of course, the beautiful flowers inside the teacups. And this other one on either side. So it doesn't matter what side you have it, there's something beautiful inside. I really, really love this set. I already had these two little salad plates. I don't know if I like them or not with this set. I may end up going and seeing if I can find some salad plates that match better. This is a true Arctic white and they're beautiful, but as you can see, these are a little bit a different shade of white. So I don't know if I like it together. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Oh my gosh, I am such a lucky, lucky person to have so many awesome friends that give me so many beautiful things. That's how I can afford to have such beautiful displays. This will make a beautiful tea service post. I can't wait to come up with something to go with it. I'm going to have to look about my house and find some beautiful pieces that go with it. This is so beautiful, I can't believe it. I am so blessed to have gotten such a beautiful gift. Can't believe how beautiful everything looks. So much detail on this set. Well, my channel is designed for adults interested in gardening, miniature gardening, cooking, cleaning, shopping hauls, cleaning, inspirational talks, DIY projects, and whatever else Grandma can come up with. Kisses and hugs if you've made it to the very end. Bye-bye, my awesome friends.